We're going to look into the eighth question of a 7.2 exercise. So the question reads like this. Show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. So we will have to prove that each angle of this equilateral triangle is 60 degree each. That means angle A 60 degree, angle B 60 degree and angle C 60 degree. Likewise, we will have to prove. Now first of all, we know from the question itself that the triangle is an equilateral triangle. So we understand since the given figure is an equilateral triangle, all of its angles are equal. Therefore, since it's a equilateral triangle, we understand that all the angles of this triangle are equal. That means angle A is equal to B, angle B is equal to C. So all the angles would be equal. Therefore, let's consider each angle. Therefore, consider each angle as h. So for convenient purpose, further we are going to keep, since all the angles are equal, so we are going to just put a value h for all the angles. Why h for all the angles? Because all the angles are of an equilateral triangle are equal. So we have just mentioned it that way. Now we know, let's take a look at this picture here. Since it's an equilateral triangle, all their angles are equal. Also, all their sides are equal. So let's take this triangle. See here, A, B, C. Here, let's consider the two sides first. We know, looking at the question, AB, BC are equal. So we know the property of a triangles. If two sides of a triangle are equal, their opposite angles equal. Since AB and BC are equal, their opposite angles are equal. So since AB is equal to BC, their opposite angles are equal. Therefore, we can say that angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. So we have understood that. Let's keep equation 1. Now let's consider, again look into the picture, and let me take the same picture here, A, B, C. Now I'm going to consider another two sides, AC and BC. Now, since these two sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. Since BC and AC are equal, their opposite angles B and A are equal. So, since BC is equal to AC, their opposite angles are equal. So, therefore, we can say angle A is equal to B. Angle A is equal to angle B, or in the other way. So, let's put it as equation number 2. So, we have tried understood from the property of triangle, which says if two sides of a triangle are equal, their opposite angles are equal. So we have studied that property. That's what we have used in order to derive these two equations from this question. Now let's try to compare these two equations, equation number 1 and 2. So when we compare, we see an equality here, that angle A is equal to angle C, again angle A is equal to B. That means angle A is equal to both angle C and B. That's why we have written here. That means the value of angle A is equal to angle C, also angle B. Three angles are equal. So let's keep it as equation number 3. So let's just arrange it for convenient purpose. So angle A is equal to angle B, angle C. So we have derived yet another equation here. Now we know the angle sum property of a triangle. According to the angle sum property of a triangle, according to the angle sum property of a triangle, all the angles of the sum of all the angles of a triangle are is equal. Therefore, we understand that means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. That's what the property says. Now, angle A, we know that it's what? X here. Angle B, it's again here. Angle C is it's equal to 180 degree. Now, X, we know it's a 3x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 divided by 3. We get the value, that is, so X is 60 degree. That means since X is 60 degree, angle A is X. That means this is 60 degree. Angle B is X. That is 60 degree proven. Angle C is it's 60 degree proven. So that we have proved. Now it can be understood from the equation. We have good equations. Consider equation 3. Equation 3 says what? Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. So angle A we have got H. Angle A is H, that is 60 degree. Angle B we have got angle B is also 60. Why? Because it is also equal to angle angle B is also equal to angle A. Now again angle B is equal to C, so that's also 60. So we have found that each angle of this equilateral triangle is 60 degree each.